Are you looking for a reliable home cleaning service in the northeast of England? Well, welcome to Take a Break. Take a Break has been proudly serving the region for coming up to 25 years, covering areas from Newcastle to Teesside and west to Darlington and everything in between. So what sets us apart? Well, we are the only home cleaning company in the Northeast that is trading standards approved, providing over 1,000 hours of weekly cleaning and hundreds of hours of fortnightly cleaning to the region's homes. Our reputation is solid, with council recommendations and endorsements from GP surgeries. At Take a Break, we believe in transparency and affordability. Our management fee is included in the hourly rate, and we guarantee a no increase policy. I'll come back to that particular guarantee shortly. We also pride ourselves on being competitively priced while maintaining a high-quality service. With a team of over 160 cleaners, we ensure reliability and consistency that an assigned cleaner will be there for you, and our customer care team is always available to assist when they're required. We often get asked whether we provide cleaning materials and a vacuum. Take a Break has a deliberate policy to utilize your own vacuum cleaner and products for two reasons. Because A, it helps to keep our prices more competitive, and B, it also assists in preventing cross-contamination by not using a vacuum cleaner in numerous homes. In addition, we work from a home-based office, which also contributes to being able to keep our prices as low as possible because business premises are expensive, as too are business rates and telephony charges. Someone will have to pay for those, and we all know who that someone will be. Plus, we are privately owned, family-run, and long-established. We're also not part of a franchise, which in itself keeps our costs lower because franchise fees too are an additional cost that have to be factored into an overall hourly rate. For all these reasons, that's why our hourly management fee is so low, and we're able to offer a 5-year guarantee that it will never increase to new customers, which I alluded to briefly a little earlier. How many other companies offer such a promise, which is included in our terms and conditions? But as if that isn't enough, there's also no long-term commitments with us. Just a flexible agreement that rolls on with only 4 weeks' notice required to cancel after the initial 12 weeks have ended. But if there was ever some unforeseen occurrence that meant termination needed to end quickly with no notice, the only payment due would be 4 weeks' management fee, and the cleaning service would end immediately with no requirement to pay the cleaner for the 4 weeks, as she will be offered a replacement customer should they want one. We've made booking our cleaning service very simple. To begin, look around our website. We have an extensive frequently asked question page, information pack, and business terms page, including prices as well. If you decide to proceed, call us first to provide us with details of your location and requirements, as well as a preferred start date and any questions you need answered to, of course. Next, if you've already previewed the customer info pack and business terms of service, the links to which are on the same website page as this video, simply complete the Terms of Service online form at the bottom of its page, sign it electronically, and email it to us. You do all of that on the one page, then voila, and congratulations, your cleaner is now successfully booked. Leave the rest to us, and we'll be in touch in due course, as too will your cleaner, who will make an arrangement to meet you to discuss your cleaning requirements in person. I've tried to make this video as comprehensive as possible in the last 3 minutes or so. However, if you have any further questions, then please feel free to ring us. We'd love to hear from you. Our phone number is on this website as well as here. With Take a Break, you're choosing flexibility and quality, as well as a company dedicated to maintaining a competitive pricing policy. Thanks for watching.